So, you've bought a dog, and now you're wondering what's the next step. Well, in this video, we'll be sharing some of the basic essentials that you need after you buy a dog. We'll be touching on the dietary needs of pets in the next video instead of this one. Firstly, you would need a variety of toys for your dog to play with. Dogs tend to have active behaviors, so to prevent them from getting too excited and destroying things around your house, you will need to keep them occupied. Chew toys are a good way to keep dogs entertained and relaxed when they focus on chewing. Of course, your friend may not be interested in certain toys. Some toys may be unsuitable for it. For example, your dog may destroy a plush toy instead of playing with it. Thus, you should keep an eye out on what your friend prefers and, of course, replace damaged toys. Next, you will also need items for your house to accommodate having a dog. You will need a dog bed and a food bowl so that your dog has a place to eat and sleep. It would be advisable to also get baby gates if you do not want your dog to get into certain areas of your house, like your bedroom or your kitchen. This will ensure that your dog has a safe environment to play and a proper place to rest. Furthermore, you will also need a dog collar, a leash, and a dog carrier. Dogs need to be walked every day, so you will need a collar and a leash so that you can walk it. It will also be good to have a dog carrier so that it will be easier to transport your dog if you need to bring it to the vet or if you're visiting someone. In addition, you will also need items to maintain hygiene for your dog. You will need items to groom your dog like nail clippers, a canine toothbrush and toothpaste, a sponge and a scrub brush for washing your dog, and a brush or a comb depending on your dog's coat length and type. Untrained dogs may make a mess in the house by urinating on furniture or licking other things. Thus, you will also need cleaning items for your house if your dog makes a mess. Some of these items include an enzymatic odor neutralizer for urine, a non-toxic cleaner for various surfaces, and an absorbent house training pad to potty train your dog. Finally, it's highly encouraged to keep some first aid supplies for your dog at home. When your dog gets hurt, you should seek treatment from a vet. But in the event where that's not possible, having first aid supplies with you will be very helpful. So some of the items you will keep in this first aid kit will include your dog's medical records for reference if you're seeing an emergency vet, hydrogen peroxide to clean small wounds or induce vomiting if your dog has ingested something toxic. But a small disclaimer is that this should never be done without professional guidance or past experience. You should also have some antibiotic ointment, gauze, and tape for treating wounds. Furthermore, you should keep any prescribed or useful medications in your first aid kit. And lastly, you should also have a guidebook for pet first aid for quick reference. This first aid kit should be portable so that you will be able to bring it with you when you're taking your dog for a walk or when you're traveling. So in conclusion, some of the items you need to get for your dog when you first buy it include toys, accommodation, cleaning items, traveling items, and first aid items. Thanks for watching our video, and do leave a comment if this helped you.